All right, everybody, we're here at Beaumont Service Center here in Southfield, Michigan. This is the parking garage right outside the building. And we have an elevator here, hose hydraulic. It's a ThyssenKrupp. Elevator E1, here we go. Okay, let's go to 3. Endura MRL. Might actually be another elevator all the way over there. Yep, there is. There's a second elevator. So we're gonna film that one next then. That right there is Omni Office Center, which has the 8 US elevators. Very fast for a hydro. I like that. This is a nice ThyssenKrupp Endura. ABS Classic fixtures, very nice. Let's get a view as we go up. There's Southfield Town Center in the distance as well. Quick cab view. We'll continue it on the first floor. Basic parking garage style elevator, but very nice. Good choice for van resistant fixtures. Those will hold up a lot better than normal ThyssenKrupp buttons like traditional or Signa 4. So yeah, very nice. All right, that will be it.